How to fix your flashlight not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing, check your flashlight. For that, you can simply scroll down from the top right corner and you'll be on your control center. Tap on your flashlight option and check if the flashlight turns on or not. You can also head over to your camera and then check the flash on your camera. Tap on the top left corner and then simply click a picture. So as you might have noticed that my flash works fine, but if it does not work for you, what you can do is you can head over to your settings first, and on your settings scroll down till you find general. Tap on general and there you'll find an option called software update. Tap on software update and update your software. Now sometimes due to your software being outdated, your flashlight or any other functionalities on your iPhone might not work. So update your software to the latest version. If you're up to date to the latest version, what you can do is you can head over to the general and scroll down on the bottom, and there you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. Then reset all of your settings. After that, check if your problem is then fixed. Now the final fix is you can just force restart your iPhone. For that, what you can do is press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. After that, your problem will get fixed, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.